Bounceland Bounce House Castle with basketball hoop inflatable bouncer, fun slide, safe entrance opening, UL certified strong blower included. PVC coated terraline/laminated Oxford terraline. Imported. Specification: inflated size, 12 feet x 9 feet x 7 feet h. Package includes bounce house, blower, carry bag, stakes, repair kit, and instruction. Weight limit: max total weight 250 pounds. Max individual weight 84 pounds. Max kids 3, easy setup and take down, inflates in less than a minute. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Carry bag provides easy portability. Quality assurance: 1. Heavy-duty puncture-proof material with double to quadruple stitches for a highly durable inflatable bouncer. 2. Hook and loop fastener opening for safe and easy access into and out of the bouncer. 3. Bouncing surface made with heavy-duty commercial-grade material